Okay, so I previewed this at the top of the show. What are these? Magic. So when I was growing up, and maybe you know this as well, right? You get the cereal, has a plastic bag inside a cereal. You fold down the bag in the cereal, and that doesn't keep the cereal from going stale. Voila, welcome to cereal containers. Not just one, but two of them. They're 14 cup, and although the name says cereal container, understand we're gonna show you how many other ways you can use this. $19.98, it's our lowest price item in the show. This happens to be the red. Down front is that spearmint again. Then we go into denim blue. Here is plumberry. This is clear, golden sand, forest green, and platinum. Woo, most limited there. Remember, we're showing you one, but you get the set of two. It's K98771. Since we made this available, over 7,500 of these have been snapped up. So I just want to be clear on this. We're showing you two of them coming home to you. So if it's your favorite granola, and then it's like the flake cereal, or if it happens to be chips, and then some pretzels, or lettuce, and then some macaroni. There's so many things that you can use to store these with. Janine Ferrillo, as I mentioned, is here with me. And LocknLock has done a really good job of bringing us items that they start out specifically to answer a problem, and then they are wonderful for so many other things.
Oh my gosh, absolutely. So yes, we start out to fix the problem with the cereal. So with these, that 14 cup capacity is wonderful because now you're really getting 28 cups that it's going to house your food. So that's really nice. Then I call this, with our flip top, I say it flips, it doesn't flop. So when you go to pour that cereal, because let's face it, that cardboard box is not working, the plastic bag inside it it's not going to reseal again, it's never going to keep anything fresh. You put your cereal right in here, and then you pour it right into the bowl. You notice that the flip top is staying open. Now you have your nice full bowl of cereal, add your milk, and you're good to go. So when you want to close it, you simply press it down, it locks in place. These are still airtight, watertight, all the wonderful things that we are, BPA free. You could put it in the dishwasher. You could put this in the freezer, Rachel. Maybe it's broth, bone broth, chicken soup, right? Maybe it's your chicken noodle soup.
Well, the
Maybe
great thing about that, the bone broth, I was just going to jump in, is that mostly like bone broth, you have to, if you open it, if you get it in those containers and you put it in the refrigerator, and then I don't know if they've got a date on them or you're not quite sure, or that container doesn't actually look that great necessarily, it's nice to put that bone broth into a container that you know is airtight and watertight and that BPA free. I love that you showed us the cereal, and here's that flip top that just stays. Once you flip it, there's a little lock. You heard that?
Exactly.
That means that it's gonna stay. So I can just easily pour, you pour one-handed, it's super comfortable. So as you said, it can be cereal, it can be soup, it can be, you know, chips of some sort, or we've got Germac that we're always presenting, or Squirrel Brand, you know, any like the snack items. We've got some gummy bears or whatever it happens to be, candy or the pet food.
I was just gonna say, so maybe it's your dog or your cat food that you're putting in here. Let me turn this way. And it's so nice now because you can just pour it to the bowl instead of using this bag that you're not going to be able to seal back up. So put the dog or cat food right in here. You take that entire lid off. The entire lid has that seal. It keeps it fresh. And then, like Rachel mentioned, you hear that lock. So when you flip it up, it'll lock in place. And now your dog or your cat comes running because they know it's supper time.
They hear the sound of kibble. If you come back here, I'll show you the colors again. So here's Foodie Red, always on Sundays. Foodie Red is super, super popular. Then we go down to the spearmint. This is our gorgeous denim blue. Down front is plumberry, which is super fun. Clear is always a favorite if you want to start somebody off on their LocknLock journey. Golden sand is that nice neutral as well. This forest green could be Eagles green. I mean, I don't know. They just won something really cool. And then there's also the platinum. So over 5,000 of these. Actually, how many did you say? You said 70. How many did you say, Brian, of these have been spoken for already? 7,500 actually. $4 on that Easy Pay at $19.98. If I said to you, you know what? You're going to be able to keep your food longer and keep it fresher longer. So those chips from going stale longer, or your cereal from going stale longer, or anything. That's why we say save food, save space, save money. And when we talk about saving space, this is that vertical space. And in fact, I think you can, I think the width of these, you can fit these into refrigerator drawer doors.
Yeah, you can. And
sideways.
It's really nice. And you can stack them on top of each other like you see right here. So if you have that taller shelf, you're able to do that, which is wonderful. And then not just for your dry foods, right? Also, you could put heads of romaine in here. I have a bag of escarole that I want to put in here. Maybe it's just your chopped lettuce that you're putting in here so that you're starting to eat healthier, right? And for me, for example, if it's already prepped and ready to go, Rachel, I'm going to eat more of it, right? I'm
Right.
going to be able to reach it, and then I'm going to make better choices. So that's why I love putting veggies in here. Then you could put these in the refrigerator, and it takes up a very slim profile on your shelf. So I absolutely love that as well.
Colors again, red. Here's the spearmint. That's your denim blue. This is your plumberry, the clear golden sand. I think this is evergreen. And then you also have your platinum. And yes, forest green, excuse me, and platinum. K98771 is your item number. Put that in your cart and check out 1-800-500-7590 is actually how you order here on QVC2. And